Hey friends, if you wish to fix DHCP is not enabled for Wi-Fi on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult to solve. Here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and then go to the services tab. Okay, wait for it to load. Scroll down to the dynamic host configuration protocol or DHCP. Okay, so this the DHCP client service. So right click on it, select properties, change it to automatic if it's not already on that, and make sure that it's started. Click on apply and then on OK, or right click on it and select restart and restart all the dependency services as well. This will fix the problem. There is no other solution to it. Do not go for other solutions. They are not related to DHCP. The only thing that manages DHCP is the service. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.